Good morning, 4th graders and parents. Today is October 1st, Thursday, October 1st. So here's what I have lined up for you today. And I will move this to the top. So now you're going to see it like this. Morning meeting, you're going to watch the video and answer the question. So let me explain where that is. Right here is our morning meeting question. So yesterday we worked on how to answer those questions. So you've got a video attached here. Watch that, and then again, your space is here to answer. There's actually two questions on directions. What does it look like to follow directions first time given, and what does it sound like? So please make sure to answer those. Let's go back here. Writing, continue working on your narrative. Use your story map to write your draft. Stretch out your story. Don't just don't just copy and paste what you have from your story map. Add details to it. Math, work on your playlist, Dreambox for 20 minutes. So you worked on the playlist yesterday, you know how to do Dreambox. Reading, finish The Magic Glasses 500 Retell. Some of you are not done, so I'm giving you one more time on it. And then read for 20 minutes. Remember with this, that's not just reading the story, but it's actually writing the Google Doc as well. I would like you not to get any help on it since I am grading it if you're not done. So, and the story does, I can read it to you too, so there's really not any reason to get some help on it. So don't ask your mom and dad or brother and sister for help on it. I'd like you to try on your own. Alright? So, that is what I have lined up for you today. Have a great day, and remember you can message me on Seesaw or Google Classroom if you need any help. Have a good day.